One of the most regulating things you can do when you notice yourself feeling activated is to bring yourself back to the here and now and into your body. Deep breathing is a wonderful technique that does just that. And there's another deep breathing activity that I absolutely love called box breathing or square breathing, which allows you to ground yourself back to the here and the now. This technique also calms your heart rate, decreases your stress, and helps to regulate your nervous system. So let's practice it here together. Essentially what you're going to do is you are going to envision yourself drawing a box, and as you're drawing that box, you're going to breathe in the counts of 4. So you're going to inhale for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4, inhale for a count of 4, and exhale for a count of 4. So I challenge you to try it with me here today. Breathing in, breathing out, inhaling, exhaling. Good job. In today's world, the busyness is never ending. And this is why it's imperative that we have tools such as box or square breathing that allow us to calm our nervous system and bring us back to a regulated state. And so I challenge you to take this strategy, add it to your toolkit, and access it when you know that you need it most.